Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are like baskets of investments. They let you invest in many stocks or bonds at once. This is diversification, and it's important for managing risk. Think of it like a fruit basket. Instead of just one apple, you get a mix of apples, oranges, and bananas. This is less risky than putting all your money into just one fruit. ETFs are similar to mutual funds, but with a key difference. ETFs are traded on stock exchanges, just like individual stocks. This makes them very accessible. With ETFs, you can invest in different sectors, countries, or themes. This opens up a world of possibilities for your investment portfolio. ETFs trade on stock exchanges, making them easy to buy and sell. You can place orders for ETFs throughout the trading day, just like you would with individual stocks. The price of an ETF fluctuates throughout the day based on supply and demand. This is different from mutual funds, which are priced only once a day. To buy or sell ETFs, you need a brokerage account. Most online brokers offer a wide selection of ETFs to choose from. When you buy an ETF, you're buying a small ownership stake in all the assets held within that ETF. This is a simple and cost-effective way to diversify your portfolio. ETFs are traded on stock exchanges around the world. This global reach gives investors access to a wide range of investment opportunities. In the United States, major exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and Nasdaq list thousands of ETFs. These cover everything from the S&P500 index to specific sectors like technology and healthcare. Outside the US, you'll find ETFs listed on exchanges like the Toronto Stock Exchange, TSX, in Canada, the London Stock Exchange, LSE, in the United Kingdom, and the Tokyo Stock Exchange, TSE, in Japan. Other notable exchanges include the Australian Securities Exchange, ASX, known for its commodities-focused ETFs, and the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, HKX, a hub for Asian market investments. The Frankfurt Stock Exchange, FWB, in Germany is another key player, offering a diverse range of European-focused ETFs. Section 4. Riding the Crypto Wave, Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. The world of ETFs is constantly evolving, and one of the most exciting developments is the emergence of cryptocurrency ETFs. These ETFs track the price of popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin ETFs, in particular, have gained significant traction among investors. They offer a regulated and accessible way to gain exposure to the price movements of Bitcoin without having to directly own and store the cryptocurrency. Ethereum ETFs provide similar benefits, allowing investors to participate in the growth potential of the Ethereum blockchain and its associated applications, such as decentralized finance, or DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. These crypto ETFs have opened up new avenues for investors to diversify their portfolios and potentially capitalize on the growth of the digital asset market. Section 5. Bitcoin ETFs. A meteoric rise in the investment world. The launch of the first Bitcoin ETF was a watershed moment for the cryptocurrency industry. It marked a significant step towards mainstream acceptance and adoption of digital assets. Since then, Bitcoin ETFs have experienced explosive growth. They have attracted billions of dollars in investments, making them one of the fastest-growing ETF categories in history. This surge in popularity can be attributed to several factors, including increased institutional interest in Bitcoin, growing awareness among retail investors, and the perception of Bitcoin as a potential hedge against inflation. As more investors recognize the potential of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, it's likely that we'll continue to see strong demand for crypto ETFs in the coming years. Section 6. Crypto ETFs. Where can you find them? Crypto ETFs are currently available in a growing number of countries, providing investors worldwide with access to this exciting asset class. In North America, Canada has been leading the way in crypto ETF adoption. Several Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs are listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange, offering investors a regulated way to invest in these cryptocurrencies. The United States has also seen the recent approval of Bitcoin ETFs, although Ethereum ETFs are still under review by regulators. These ETFs are listed on major US stock exchanges, making them easily accessible to American investors. Other countries where crypto ETFs are available include Germany, Switzerland, Sweden, and Brazil. As the regulatory landscape evolves, it's expected that more countries will approve and list crypto ETFs on their exchanges, further expanding investor access to this rapidly growing market.